Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Honeywell. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. They have a market cap of $129 billion. The current stock price is $192.99 and they are operating in the conglomerates industry. Honeywell might be a good pick if you have sold your 3M stocks. They operate in similar industries and markets and same products. The last 10 years, Honeywell has performed very well, more than the S&P 500, and that is with the dividends reinvested. Now for some financial data. First off, the sales past 5 years is actually negative, minus 2.6%. The earnings per share is up though 5%, but not enough. The threshold is 8%. The analyst expects a bit stronger earnings the next coming years though, 9.4%. The return on capital is great, 13.84%. The debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is a bit high, 5.02 years. The threshold is 5, so this is right there on the margin. Now for some yield data. The dividend yield is 2.04%. The buyback yield is about 2%. So a combined shareholder yield of about 4%. The payout ratio is 47.66%. And the dividend growth rate has been 6.71%. And they have been increasing this dividend for consecutive 11 years. This makes up of a dividend score of 7 out of 10, almost 8. The debt to the free cash flow was very close. Now let's check the valuation in fast graphs. Here in fast graphs we can see that the orange line, which is the earnings, is growing very steadily, especially for it to be an industrial stock. But this is because they are operating in so many different markets and products. The dividend is also very stable. They are increasing it every year, but not that fast. And if we see here, we can look at the earnings growth, which is about 8.5% every year, not bad. And the credit rating is A rated, which is also very nice. If we plot the normal PE, which the stock trades at, and also the price, we can see that it of course dipped down during the deceased, and after that it spiked up like crazy up to about $230. Now it's back down to about $190, but it needs to come down a bit more to be trading at its normal valuation. If we project out to late 2024, we can see that we could only expect an annual rate of return of about 1.8%. Please hit the like button and watch my latest video right here about 5 brand new stocks I bought for my portfolio. See you soon!